This is coming from a Fowler Nation fan, so I encourage you folks, if you see a story that you want for Political Maniacs to be featured on the show, to be featured on the YouTube channel, send that to us. You can send me an email at richwebster@fowlershow.com or send it to us in a message on our Twitter @FowlerShow or on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/FowlerShow. So, Governor Tom Corbett has asked Commonwealth Court to reconsider its ruling that states' controversial voter ID laws unconstitutionally restrict voting rights. So the Pittsburgh Post-Gazette reported this. Governor Tom Corbett's general counsel, James Schultz, said in a statement on Monday that the administration disagrees with the ruling and that Mr. Corbett has always favored encouraging people to exercise their right to vote. The requirement of a voter ID in no way infringes right, especially in today's environment where an ID is essential to do just about anything. Now, my thoughts on this. If you're going to drive a car, it does not say anything in the Constitution and the Bill of Rights about your right to drive a car. As such, if you want to drive a car, you need to get certified. You need to have a driver's license. You also need to pass a driver's test. Then, if we're going to talk about voting, that is an inalienable right. Every citizen in the United States should have the right to vote. Frankly, I believe felons should also have the right to vote. I believe everyone should have that right. And there is no reason why we need a special ID in order to get that done. The only reason that these laws are even in place in the first place, even though they're being overturned left and right, is because members of the right wing have passed them because they know that they are going to disenfranchise women voters, African American voters, Latino voters, and other groups, including young people, from voting because it's harder for them to get these IDs. And who are they going to be voting for? Not the GOP. It's simple stuff, folks. I can't believe that Tom Corbett is still on board with this. In the judge's ruling, he found that many Pennsylvania citizens still lack photo IDs and that they can be difficult to get. He cited overwhelming evidence that hundreds of thousands of qualified voters lack IDs that comply with the law and panned the state's educational and marketing efforts as largely ineffective and consistently confusing. Thank you, Judge, for making this point abundantly clear. Tom Corbett, can't believe you're still on board with this. You are a political maniac in my book.